What is up, everybody? It's Cami 3 Valve here, and today I decided to make a video kind of explaining what is happening since I haven't posted a YouTube video in a while. Basically just a big update and explanation to what is going on. So firstly, starting off with the fact that I am home. I am now done with my first year of college at Coastal Carolina, and I'm back home in Cincinnati, Ohio. And this has allowed me to get back into my full-time job working at Valvoline. And so basically now I'm going to have a lot more money to do what I want to do. So basically, just a quick explanation, probably what you're wondering, why my Instagram went back to Cami3Valve and why the YouTube name is going to shortly be changed back into Cami3Valve. And here it is. Basically, long story short, I don't want to ramble on too long, but basically what I'm going to say is that I was aiming for a Cobra, had money down and everything, and was ready to go for it, and then we hit some family issues with financially that I had to help out with. And I really just needed to help them a lot, and I think that took priority, obviously, over, you know, chasing that car down. So basically what's going to happen is that I'm going to be keeping the 3-valve. And the 3-valve is going to become my primary build once again. But as you know, the air ride and everything has been taken off. So where do I go from here, you're probably wondering. So basically how this is going to go is in the next week or two, I'm going to be ordering a wrap. And I'm going to be personally wrapping the car in a very unique color that hopefully I can probably make my own and, you know, do it and learn the wrapping process with a couple friends, and we're going to try to tackle that. And then I'm going to be ordering coilovers, and I'm going to be slamming the car for the summer, and then basically we're going to just build cosmetically with the car, which I'm super excited about. I want to do it better this time around. I feel like the first time I had coilovers didn't go so well. You know, we were getting used to the process of how to drive and how to actually get them installed, but now we know basically how to do this suspension on this car basically blindfolded. So I'm very excited to get those ordered and the wrap within the next week, and I don't know when they'll be here, but I know that I'm going to be super excited. That is exactly what's happening with this car. Kind of wanted to keep it a surprise, but I also kind of wanted to update on YouTube because, you know, I figured there's probably a lot of things you guys are probably wondering, considering I changed my name to SVT Cami. It was probably way premature, but honestly, guys, I had money down on the car and I was ready to go get it, and I had somebody who was actually putting money down on my car. So you could see my disappointment when everything went to shit, and, pardon my French, when everything went the opposite way of how I wanted it to. Obviously, I can't control anything, and that's just life. So we're going to make the most of it by building the 3-valve this summer. I don't know what else I'm going to do to it. Probably the first thing I said, we're going to go wrapping wheels, and then we're going to do some crazy cosmetic things. I want to try some new stuff, and I think that'd be really cool for everybody to be able to follow that. Hopefully, we'll get some new wheels if I can trade. And other than that, let's see here. Let's see what else other content that I'm going to be bringing you guys. Basically, I have a couple buddies' cars that I really want to review, and we're going to have some awesome reviews here with a Terminator Cobra, hopefully soon, Ethan. Let's see how that goes. And then just to reiterate again, basically what I was saying is that we're going to go for some new content with new reviews, but I also want to hear from you guys. So please comment what you think should happen to the 3-valve this summer. I've already admitted to myself that I wasn't going to put it on air ride suspension again. It just doesn't seem very smart to throw that back on the car after I already did it. So I'm going to try a new route. And honestly, I'm pretty excited about that. Trying something new, trying the whole coilover life. I think that'll be really nice. I just wanted the car to look really clean and nice, and that's just what I'm gonna have it for. But basically, I probably won't have the car for another year, maybe. That'll probably be the goal. So I'm gonna be saving up a lot of money. I'm gonna try to pay off the rest of the loan that I still owe on this, so it'll be a little bit easier the next time it comes around to sell. So I'll have all the money when I sell it. So that's what's going to happen. But please leave in the comments what other content you guys like to see, because I'm always open to hear what you guys want to see, because it's kind of hard to just gauge off of what I've done. I've done a lot of informational videos about the 3-valve, and I feel like I don't really have any more that I can kind of put out there at the moment. So here is the update. I'm redoing the 3-valve, and I'm very excited about it, and I want you guys to put your input and see what else you'd like to see on the 3-valve. I think it'd be really fun to get this thing going again, so we'll see. So 3-valve stays alive for a little bit longer. Like I said, I got car reviews coming. Couple different people, you know, got a couple different cars that I really want to review, and I got a couple other projects in the works, and we will see how that goes. Anyway, though, Thank you so much for the support. You know, we've done fantastic on this page, and I just want to say a big thank you to everybody that actually tunes in and watches these videos on the daily, because it means a lot. And I know it's been scarce the last couple weeks with videos, and like I said, obviously coming home, getting my job back in order, and a lot of other things that I had to deal with while getting back home have kind of cut down my time on the YouTube. So we're focusing back, and from here on out, hopefully we'll be able to keep it consistent with videos and content, because that's what I'm super excited about. I want to see this page grow a little bit more, and that would be fantastic. And as long as you guys like them, I'm gonna keep liking doing them. So thank you so much for tuning in today. If I missed anything, I might throw it in the comments or something. So yeah, drop a comment what you'd like to see in the 3-valve. Let me know if you're excited for the build, and maybe me and a couple friends might be picking up a drift build for the summer. We will see. That'll be super exciting as well. So hopefully it all can come together. Anyway, this is Cami 3-valve. Name change back. We're back. Hopefully you're gonna see a lot more of me on these videos, hopefully soon. So thank you. Subscribe, like, and tell a friend. Appreciate it.